Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at an simple but interesting icebreaker template that I've created called Frosty Firestarters. This link to this particular template is in the description down below, so you can click on it to copy this template to your Miro board. I have copied this template to my Miro board, and we'll take a look at how to use this template now. So as a facilitator, all you would have to do is start with one of these questions. So this is basically a question card deck, right? It has multiple questions. All you have to do is start with one of these cards, ask your participant this question and see what the responses are. And once you're done this, then just move the card from the deck and ask this next question. So all this template is just a collection of question prompts. All are dragon themed, as you would notice, with all the dragon illustrations. And you can just go ahead and use all of these questions for your next icebreaker activity. So that was the Frosty Firestarters Miro template. Do give it a like, do subscribe to this YouTube channel for many more videos to come, and of course comment down below if you've used the template, if you like the template, and if there is some other template that you're looking for, I can recommend that to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.